a Democrat, there will be a lot of problems. The chairman of ADC, next political transition in this country, give Northern Nigeria a round of applause. The determining factor of who occupies the villa in 2020.
Take charge of this microphone and begin to lighten up the event.
Round of applause. Let's welcome ourselves. I want to start by apologizing to everyone that we came late, and some of us we are trying to treat it. But for coming, be the glory forever and ever. If you believe in Malam Aminu Kano, there is a coalition that led to APC. Now in 2025, we are again starting a coalition that will send APC and everybody living in the villa now, including those staying in the boys' quarters of the villa. Masugudu Sugudu. What you have now is just the people. No government will say next to me. Bawani malami wanda zai kawo carbi ya ce mana ga inda za yi. Duk wani pastor da shi da Bible din shi ba zai ce mana nan za yi ba. Now what we want to do is the people. ADC is about the people. It's a movement, and this movement will bring, by the grace of God, a new Nigeria. Let's say amen. Now, of APC and became secretary to the government of the Federation. He is from Adamawa State. Please, can we jam our hands together as I introduce the chairman of this occasion, Mr. Babachir Lawa. We disagree. Can we encourage Malam Nasser?
Let me tell you a story that you are all very familiar with. We've heard this story several times too. There was a very renowned professor who was invited to talk on a topical issue. Everybody was anxious to come and lecture to this professor. What happened? His hall was packed full. People were coming. They are very fast on I'm telling you. The professor said, put out the light. The professor asked them, put off the light, so they put off the light. And after about 3 hours, he said, this concludes my paper. Put on the light. And they did. There was only one lone figure sitting in the hall. far end of the hall. And he said to the guy, you must be the only one who understood the points I was making. And the man said, no, sorry, sir, I'm not one of them. I'm your driver waiting to take you home. So apparently, the professor wasn't communicating. But because he said, put off light, he didn't know people were going out one by one. So don't put off the light. Begin to go out. In this my short address, I will then stop and make sure that we all listen to the address. To me, it is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today to speak on a matter that defines our present and may shape our future. The urgency and the efficacy of unity and social cohesion are the solution.
Luckily, the national leadership told us that ADC is adopted, and we agree that ADC is adopted. What we want to find out is ADC that is now accepted for the coalition, is it a one-man show or a political party that everybody is supposed to participate and make us achieve our goals? Example, the chairman of the adopted ADC, when we met with him, introduced ourselves as the coalition members. He said he is the organizing commission. He said, are we here for the one-man show business, or are we here to see how we will achieve our goals? Please, I am sincerely appealing to the national leadership to look into these issues. I believe it's not only Zamfara. So many states are having this issue. So the national leadership look into these issues and how to way out so that we can achieve our goals. Thank you.
That was a good presentation from Zamfara, but I want to encourage all other speakers to please speak to the issues. And now, the opening ceremony is over. The chairman's speech already done. The keynote address speaker has spoken. I want to respectfully and honorably ask all media men to now please excuse us from the hall. Please. All media men. Any media man we find in the hall, we will tag you a bona fide member of ADC. So please, quickly.
In spite of these blessings, we are confronted with deep-seated challenges of insecurity, poverty, ethnic and religious tensions, political fragmentation, social and economic stagnation. These challenges did not develop overnight, nor will they disappear until we